Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Herald Harbor. Local and long-distance movers near me. Residents of Herald Harbor embarking on a long-distance relocation can rely on our extensive services for a stress-free move. We offer flexible packing options, from full service to DIY supplies, and our experienced team handles your belongings with utmost care. Our efficient planning and execution make the moving process smooth and worry-free. Herald Harbor's seaside allure is perfectly complemented by our efficient moving services. We specialize in handling waterfront home relocations, secure packing and transportation of valuables, efficient residential moves, office relocation services, and custom moving plans for unique needs. Let us make your move in Herald Harbor as enjoyable as a day by the sea. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Herald Harbor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.